Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco R24-9800-04. This is a rebuilt Magnum 4 control, and this video is to serve primarily as visual evidence of the item, along with a little bit of dimensional evidence. The way the program works is this. Generally best served when you're dealing with something that's discontinued, but we offer a service by which these are rebuilt, brought back to factory original specifications, made available, and you purchase what is really an exchange. You purchase the rebuilt board, you perform the swap out, you send back the old one, which we'll call the core, and then there's a core refund against it, and that core refund amount is specified below this video. So this video is really right now going to serve as dimensional and visual evidence of the item. Suppose you can pause this video to take a closer look at this. We have photographs down below of this item showing what it looks like. Some common waypoints here are your potentiometers, your dip switches, your fuse, of course, down here. A couple of basic dimensional properties. Overall width of the board, about 7 1/4. Overall height of the board, about 3 7/8. Used on Gyrotech Nabco swinger doors, Magnum 4 control. A couple of telltale signs will be your 2-position slide switch that is referred to here, along with your 5th mounting hole. We're drawing attention to that because it's important. SW2 is what that's marked off as, right there. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco R24-9800-04 Magnum 4 rebuilt control or any other Gyrotech Nabco rebuilt product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.